Hello friends, welcome once again. Today we are going to see some interesting strategy in our channel, and this strategy is very good. I have seen it used many times. In this we are going to use 3 indicators and we will change its setting a little so that the strategy becomes more profitable. So first of all we know about the setting of this strategy. In this we will explain both strategies well. So first of all check the setting of the strategy.
These are the strategy, right? It comprises with 3 indicators. So the first indicator they are using is called moving average. All right, let me click on the editing part. So I'm using moving average with a period of 28, and the moving average is EMA, right? So the second one is called CCI with a period of 18. This is the only thing that you need to change, except you want to change the style like what I did here. All right, actually take the lines here with times with 2 pixels, right? So the other last indicator I use is called momentum, right? And this are the setting. The period over here too is 13, and that's pretty much it, right? So it's a very simple setup. So to put this out, just over here. This is the moving average, the first indicator that I use. The second one is called CCI, while the last one is momentum, right? So that's just how it is.
Okay, so here you must have seen how to set all the setting of the strategy. Now we will see how to use this strategy. So to understand the strategy well, and for that you have to watch the video carefully. And here you have to pay a little attention because the pocket option is always updated. So this time also some update has come in it. Like you will be able to see here, above we have got a UTC time, and that means we have to take a trade according to the clock. But you can select 1 minute time frame here, but sometimes the trade above 1 minute gets stressed, and for this reason the chances of losing the trade increase. But some solution will have to be found on this too. I think I don't like this update at all. Do you like this update? Tell me in the comment. It's okay. So now let me show you how to use the strategy.
So over here we are looking at the indicators in 3 directions, right? So the first thing we are looking on the moving average is the falling down of this particular blue line here. So when this line is going down and our CCI line here is at the oversold level, it means that the line is at the bottom of the other lines here, the bottom line here, and then we are having a red signal, a very strong red signal in the momentum indicator, right? So it will be a great moment to give it a call option for 1 minute. All right, don't forget we are doing this for 1 minute and 30 seconds candle time frame. That's just it. All right, so the analysis is that when the candle actually fall, or what's it called, when the moving average line was above the candlestick, our CCI is beneath or in the bottom of the line of the CCI line here, this particular line, while we are having a red signal in our momentum, then we are giving it to be a put option for 1 minute. Not only that, we are taking trade on the new generated candle, right? So what I actually mean with that, like this particular candle have a time of 30-second expiration, just like what we said here. So we're going to wait for this particular gun to get expired, and when we get another one generated, immediately we're going to put in the trade if what's it called, the 3 indicator is in the right position. All right, I hope I explained myself clear. The same thing happened when what's it called, the moving average line is below the candle on its way up. Our CCI indicator is very strong on an overbought level. It means that CCI is at the top of the line here. All right, and we're having a green signal, a very strong one in the momentum. Then we're going to take a trade on new candle generator. Don't forget that. All right, so if a particular candle is actually working and you get a confirmation with the trade indicator, you need to wait. If this candle is actually on and you have your confirmation with these 3 indicators, you need to wait to take a trade on this particular candle immediately generated. So when this candle come off, just go ahead and place in the trade if you're having your confirmation intact with the 3 indicators, right? So don't forget we are doing this for 1 minute, all right, and a 30-second candle time frame. So guys, I think I actually explained better. For those of you, I normally speak faster, but it seems that it's not really getting cool with people, so I'm trying to actually lower my voice and try to explain in details, right? So but this is, I think everyone understand how this works now. Right now I'll be taking another trade. So I've already put up my currency pairs. Right now I'll be analyzing. When I find a great moment, I'll come over and take the trade, and I'll try to explain again. I mean the reason why I enter the trade. Okay guys, I found a very good moment over here, but I'm actually waiting to take a trade on the next candle. Alright, as you can see, our moving average is very strong above the candle. We're having our CCI below. We're getting our signal here on the momentum. I'm going to take a trade on this to calm down. Alright, for what's it called, 1 minute. So like what I said, when you're having a very good signal with your moving average above the candle, strong, coming down, as you can see, our CCI is very on the what's it called, oversold level, and we're having a very good signal with the momentum. So I know this is definitely going to be a good moment, so that's the reason why I actually put in the trade. I'm doing this for 1 minute, don't forget that, and with 30 seconds a candle time frame. Alright guys, let's wait and see if this is gonna be in the money in the next few seconds. Alright guys, so we're in the red and the money on that. That's a very good one in there. So guys, I hope you understand what actually happened. I mean what I'm trying to explain real far. So I'll be analyzing again, and when I find another great moment, I'll come over and take a trade, and I'll explain better why I put in the entry. Alright. Okay guys, I'm checking this out. We're waiting for it get generated. I put in the trade of 700. The reason why is that our moving average is below the candle. You can say that, and we are having a very good time with our CCI, very strong in our overbought level, and of course our momentum was good. Alright, so that's the reason why I actually placed in the trade quickly on the when the new candle generated. Alright guys, let's wait and see if there's gonna be another great moment in the next few seconds, right? Okay guys, a good moment there in the money and that. Alright guys, this is a very good one when the money on the trade, right? So right now I'll be analyzing again. When I find another good moment, I'll come over and take a trade. Alright guys, I'm actually checking this out again. So as you can see, this is a very good moment. We're having a good time with our CCI. I'm waiting for the other candle to generate before I place in the trade, right? To be sure. So I think we have less than 2 seconds to get another net candle. Alright, I placed in the trade here, 700. As you can see, we are our our CCI is really strong, and even reached out the overbought level of the CCI line here, and then we are getting a very fresh signal over here on the momentum. Is getting really stronger, and of course our moving average is very good, or at the bottom of the line. As you can see, it's going up. So guys, this is definitely gonna be another great moment, I believe. So let's wait guys, let's see if we're gonna be in the money in the next few seconds, right? Okay guys, so we're right in the money on that. That's a very good one.